Hello guys, welcome back to Code Easy AI, your go-to channel for building amazing web designs with the power of HTML, CSS and chatgpt. So in today's video, we are creating a beautiful product collection section where you'll learn how to design stylish cards with products, names, prices and hover effects. So all with the clean HTML and CSS. So if you're passionate about front-end development and want to level up your coding skills, you're in the right place. So grab your code editor, follow along and let's bring the product collection UI to life. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code Easy AI for more exciting web development tutorials. So this is our final results in this video. There is an image section and a heading and paragraph text with a hover effect to the cards, and there is a scroll bar function for the cards. Yeah. So let's go into our coding part.